Hi, so digital products are one of the ways you can make seven figure in the online space. Okay, you can share digital products, you can create store and share digital product electronically, which in return you can sell to make some money. Alright, now in this video I'm going to be showing you where to get your digital products from, and subsequently in the other videos I'm going to be showing you where to host them and how to make money from selling digital products. And for digital products, there could be books, videos, softwares, applications, and so much more that you can easily share. Now, the beautiful thing about digital products is this: if you look at physical products, you have to store, you have to probably invest a huge capital, get those products, store it somewhere in the warehouse, and what have you, then begin to sell. If you have to sell, you need to still go through operation, which in return is pretty stressful. But for digital products, you can easily create them, store them, alright, carry them around, and easily distribute them in the electronic space. Now, where do you get your digital products from? I'm going to share with you the digital master library product that I have on my platform that you can sell from the comfort of your home and hence your seven figure from the comfort of your home. Now, these products are in separate and different niches. Alright, what that means is that you have these products in various categories: business intelligence, entrepreneur, e-commerce, marketing, and social media. If you click on the business intelligence section category, you can see that I have access to the business development section, intelligence section. I have business development where you have your how to start your seven-figure business. It's a video training that will teach you how to start a seven-figure business with digital products. All right, you also have access to all of this. You also have access to a whole lot of things. You have access to business tools, Google Meet, how to use Google Meet, how to do speed workflow with Slack, all right, of course, how to use Microsoft 365, so much more. All right, these are trainings, video trainings that you can host on your platform and resell them. You can also learn from these digital products. Like I said earlier, they could be digital products could be eBooks, video training, PDF files, or what have you, that you can easily resell and you can also learn from. Good. So you have a lot of tools here under this particular category. If you go back up and we go to this section where we have probably the marketing section, you see that under the marketing section you have all of this, all right. Internet marketing for busy people, social media managing apps for marketers, all right. You have domain name marketing. In fact, this is another section where you can actually also still make your seven-figure from at this time. Google Maps profit, customer per action, the marketing mastery, and all of those things. You have AI marketing, all about AI. All right, you have access to cryptocurrency videos and training on how to use cryptocurrency effectively. Now, with these master library, you can study this to have better understanding. All right, you can also use these digital products, resell them, all right, as your own, and earn a lot of money from it. I'm going to be sharing with you the link to the master library in my description section, and also ensure that you go through, all right, to help understand better on how to make use of it. In my subsequent video, I'm going to be showing you how to convert this, sell it, and make the most out of it. It is important that you understand that this is not free. Okay, nothing good comes free. Good. All right, see you in the other video.